So the Investment Fund for Scotland is a £150 million fund with smaller loan, debt and equity available for SMEs across the whole of Scotland. It's the second in a series of 6 investment funds that the British Business Bank are launching. So the fund managers we've appointed to manage the Investment Fund for Scotland are DSL Business Finance, who will manage the smaller loan fund, and that'll be a loan between £25,000 and £100,000. The FSE Group will manage the debt fund, providing loans up to £2 million, and Maven Capital Partners will manage the equity fund with investments up to £5 million.
Well, the sort of companies that we're very keen to lend to are right through from early stage, perhaps even non-trading businesses, right through to mature businesses who are perhaps coming to lending for the first time. So our target market, if you like, is any SME in Scotland who has a funding requirement in that range.
The type of companies we're looking for are particularly growth companies, ones that are looking for that working capital to help them to grow, but across all sectors. But in particular, we've got a lot of new sectors emerging, sort of in the net zero economy, where there's a lot of demand for that sort of projection-led lending that we can help and support and plug that market gap that exists at the moment.
We're really excited that with this fund, we will be able to get financing to companies across the spectrum of SMEs. We're looking for real, innovative, young, exciting, dynamic companies who perhaps have a great management team. They may have a really exciting service proposition, but they just need investment to perhaps drive their R&D, to grow their team, to improve their staffing, their training, their upskilling, and getting the finance where it really needs to be to support these companies on their growth journey.
We know that Scotland is underserved in that space, in the 25 to 100k space. We know that from research. So this is a great means by which to enable those companies to access another funding route.
With this fund, we'll be able to make investments across the entirety of Scotland and work with exciting young SMEs and get the investment where it's most needed to make a real impact.
So we'll ensure businesses from across Scotland can access the money through the website, through the team I'm recruiting across the whole of Scotland, and through the public and private sector agencies such as Business Gateway, Chamber of Commerce, their accountants, their solicitors, and the professional ecosystem they work with across Scotland.
For more information, businesses can go to the website where they can find out more about each of those funds and connect with the relevant fund manager.